In this video, we're going to review how to follow the order of operations. In the order of operations, we start with all grouping symbols. Then we work to solving exponents, multiplication and division at the same time, and then add and subtract at the same time. In our first example, the grouping symbol that I see is the fraction bar. It's grouping an expression in the numerator and one in the denominator. So I need to work those separately. In the numerator, all I need to do is do 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So I know I'm going to have an 8 in my numerator. In my denominator, I need to make sure that I follow order of operations. So I don't have a grouping symbol, except for I do see a parentheses, but the parentheses in this case is showing me my base of my exponent. So I'm going to go straight to exponent. My base is -2. It's being raised to the second power, so I need to think what's -2 times -2, and that part becomes a 4. Now I can move to my multiplication times -1, and 4 times -1 is -4. So my denominator simplified to -4. Now I'm still at the multiplication and division stage, but now I need to see that grouping symbol as a division bar instead of a fraction bar. 8 over -4 is the same thing as 8 divided by -4. My signs are different, so my answer is negative, and 8 divided by 4 is 2.
Corbin Massey, please come to the office.
All right, in the second example, again, we have the fraction bar as a grouping symbol, giving me a numerator and a denominator grouped separately. In my numerator, I have another grouping symbol, that parentheses. So I need to work inside the parentheses first. I see addition and subtraction, so I work with those at the same level. I think what's 1 plus 2, that's 3. Now I have 3 take away 6, which is the same thing as 3 plus -6. So what's inside of that parentheses becomes a -3. Now I can realize it's still in my numerator. I have -3 times +3, so that becomes -9. In my denominator, I have -3. Now my fraction bar can be seen as a division symbol, so it's -9 divided by -3, which is +3.